Is OpenAI about to take on Twitter and Facebook at the same time? It looks like Sam Altman is gearing up to challenge both Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg by building a brand new social network. According to multiple insiders, OpenAI is developing its own X-like social platform. While it's still in the early stages, there's already an internal prototype that features a social feed centered on ChatGPT's image generation. Sam Altman has been privately gathering feedback on the project, but so far, there's no confirmation on whether it'll be a standalone app or baked directly into ChatGPT, which, by the way, just became the most downloaded app in the world. If you're enjoying this glimpse into the future of AI and social media, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with the latest in tech. This new direction could heat up Altman's already tense rivalry with Elon Musk. Back in February, Musk offered to buy OpenAI for nearly $100 billion. Altman fired back with a jab, saying, "No thanks, but we'll buy Twitter for $974 billion if you want." It's not just Musk who should be watching. Meta is reportedly planning a social feed for its own AI assistant app. When that news broke, Altman clapped back online, hinting that maybe OpenAI would make a social app of its own. Now it seems he wasn't joking. Building a social network could give OpenAI a valuable asset: real-time user data. That's something Meta uses to train Llama and Musk's xAI taps into via X. An OpenAI-run social feed could level the playing field, offering a new pipeline of fresh content for training their models. The concept goes beyond just mimicking existing platforms. One idea being explored is using AI to help users create and share better content, possibly even boosting viral potential. Now, it's still too early to know if this project will ever officially launch. But the fact that OpenAI is even working on it shows just how ambitious their roadmap has become. Check out the related video in the corner for more on how OpenAI is reshaping the tech landscape.